Imagine yourself exploring this natural wonder, named one of the top 10 must-visit villages in India for its breathtaking beauty and harmonious blend with nature, where every scene is like a postcard, connecting you to the past. From the verdant village landscapes to the embrace of a 60-year-old Chelan Chetan's tea shop. The sacred aura of the Chinganchira Karapaswamy Nature Temple to the timeless whispers of a century-old Peringottasheri granary, through the cascading splendor of a majestic Sithakandu waterfalls to the tranquil charm of a scenic Muthalamada railway station. Join us on an unforgettable journey into the heart of this enchanting Indian village, nestled in the state of Kerala, God's own country. Welcome to Kolangad. Kolangad, a serene and picturesque village nestled at the cradle of the Nellyampathy mountain ranges in the Palakkad district of Kerala. Kolangad is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, characterized by lush green landscapes, tranquil paddy fields, and the serene backdrop of the Western Ghats. The village offers a perfect blend of nature's tranquility and the simplicity of rural life, making it a hidden gem for those seeking a peaceful retreat. One of the most significant aspects of Kolangad is its agricultural heritage. The fertile lands of this village are primarily used for rice cultivation, which forms the backbone of the local economy. The sight of vast paddy fields swaying in the gentle breeze is a sight to behold, capturing the essence of Kerala's agrarian lifestyle. This house in the middle of the paddy field is a pictorial beauty. Nestled amidst vast stretches of green, it stands as a serene retreat, surrounded by the rhythmic sway of rice plants. This idyllic setting provides a perfect sanctuary from the frenetic rhythm of modern living, offering a tranquil ambience where one can truly connect with nature. The lone tree in the middle of the lush paddy field is a unique visual treat for travelers and a popular photo spot. This solitary tree stands as a natural monument, drawing attention with its distinct presence. It provides a shaded spot for a quiet rest, and its graceful outline against the expanse of green fields makes for stunning photographs, capturing the essence of rural beauty. A serene panorama of a Palakkadan village will naturally have a Palmyra palm tree standing tall amidst the paddy fields. These towering palms not only add to the scenic beauty but also symbolize the resilience and strength of the local culture. They offer a striking contrast against the green fields and blue sky, creating a classic rural landscape that's both captivating and iconic. The beautiful water bodies developed as a result of granite mining add even more to the scenic views. These crystal-clear lakes and ponds reflect the surrounding greenery, creating a mirror-like effect that's simply breathtaking. They serve as perfect spots for relaxation, fishing, and even bird watching, making them a favorite among nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. As we journeyed onward, a captivating aroma drew us off the dusty road. There, nestled amidst the landscape, stood Chelan Chetan's tea shop, a beloved Kolangad's landmark for over 6 decades, with its vintage charm and thatched roof. Stepping inside, you're transported back in time by the rustic interior, the aroma of freshly brewed tea, and the warmth of the locals, creating a nostalgic ambience. It's a place where travelers cherish a hot cup of tea and local snacks like vada, served by Chelan Chetan himself, ensuring an authentic experience. This tea shop is more than a dining spot, it's a living piece of history that embodies the essence of the village. Its roof, adorned with dried palmyra leaves meticulously woven together, resonates with nature's enduring harmony, embodying a timeless connection to the surrounding landscape and traditions of the village. Watching this solitary bus trundle through the narrow lanes is like witnessing a lifeline in motion. It connects the village to the outside world, bringing in travelers and locals alike. The bus service, with its old-world charm, is a testament to the simplicity and connectedness of rural life in Kollungård. As we continued our journey along the village road, enveloped in lush greenery, heading towards our next landmark, the Chinganchira Karapaswamy Temple, also known as the Nature Temple. Situated about 7 kilometers from Kollungård town, this temple is hidden within a dense canopy of trees. From an aerial view, the temple is invisible, nestled harmoniously within the forest. As we approach the temple, the entrance greets us with towering banyan trees on either side. Their grand aerial roots descend artistically, creating a natural archway. The thick branches and leaves form a canopy that shields us from the sun, but the sun's rays manage to filter through, illuminating our path. Walking through this natural tunnel, we feel a profound connection to the surrounding nature. Chinganchira Karapaswamy Temple is more than just a place of worship, it's a sanctuary of banyan trees and devotion. On particular days, devotees gather here to offer sacrifices, perform pujas, and express their gratitude to the deity. The main temple itself is situated on a grand banyan tree, emphasizing the profound bond between spirituality and nature. In this spiritual haven, nature itself is revered. People from all walks of life, regardless of caste or religion, visit this sacred site. Those seeking children hang symbolic shapes of cradles and houses on the banyan tree, praying for uninterrupted family bliss. Chinganchira Karapaswamy Temple stands as a testament to the unity of faith and nature. Amidst the lush greens and scenic paddy fields, the 100-year-old Peringotasherry Kalam stands proudly in the valley of the Neliampathy Hills. This ancient granary was once a vital storage for the farmers' grains. Years ago, farmers lived here, their lives deeply rooted in the rhythms of agriculture. The road came to an end at a small cliff, revealing a sprawling, sunlit whitewashed building supported by sturdy wooden pillars. This is Peringotasherry Kalam. At the heart of Palakkardan agricultural culture, this granary stands as a timeless symbol of the rhythms of farming life. Nestled beside verdant fields, it serves as a sanctuary for farmers, where they safeguard their precious paddy and find solace after days filled with labor under the sun. The fields, nestled among the rocks, offer a practical solution for stacking and threshing the sheaves, ensuring the harvest is efficiently managed. Here, rice reigns supreme as the main produce, its golden grains a symbol of sustenance and tradition. Alongside, the trees bear the gift of mangoes, adding a sweet, vibrant touch to the agricultural bounty. one can almost hear the echo of ancient songs sung by farmers as they worked under the sun, feel the earth underfoot, and see the dance of light and shadow on the fields. The air is filled with the essence of devotion to the land, a deep connection between man and nature, woven through generations. The granary, in its serene simplicity, holds the spirit of a bygone era, where every grain of rice and every ripe mango tells a story of hard work, perseverance, and the enduring beauty of agricultural life. As the time for lunch approached, we were fortunate to enjoy it in this historical place. Sitting in front of the ancient granary, we were served a traditional Kerala meal on a banana leaf. The spread included delicious avial, fragrant alisherry, crispy thoran, tangy pickle, salted fried chili, crunchy pat-pad, fluffy rice, and hearty sambar. Each bite was a journey through the rich flavors of Kerala, truly satisfying our appetites. As we savored our meal, the view near the granary was breathtaking. We were surrounded by lush paddy fields, swaying coconut trees, and a serene pond, all set against the backdrop of the majestic Nellyampathy Hills, part of the Western Ghats. The experience was like a poem, blending history, nature, and the mouth-watering tastes of Kerala into a perfect moment of bliss. As our journey continues, we arrive at the breathtaking Seethakandu waterfalls. Located in the scenic hills of Nellyampathy in Kerala, is a mesmerizing natural wonder. Named after the epic character Sitha from the Ramayana, it is believed that Sitha, along with Lord Rama and Lakshmana, once stayed in this area during their exile. The waterfall cascades down from a height of approximately 100 feet, creating a stunning spectacle as it plunges into the lush greenery below. Surrounded by dense forests and coffee plantations, Seethakandu offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Palakkad Plains. The area is rich in biodiversity, boasting a variety of plant and animal life, making it a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. The serene and tranquil environment, coupled with the refreshing mist from the waterfall, provides a perfect escape from the fast-paced urban life. Visitors often combine a trip to Seethakandu waterfalls with a trek through the enchanting Nellyampathy Hills, exploring the region's unique landscapes and enjoying the cool, invigorating climate. The falls are particularly spectacular during the monsoon season when the water flow is at its peak, creating a powerful and awe-inspiring sight. Arriving at the final destination of our journey, we have reached the Muthalamada railway station, where every traveller who visits Kolangad feels a profound connection, as this railway station is surrounded by verdant forests and rolling hills. Muthalamada offers travellers a serene and tranquil atmosphere. The station itself is small and modest, with a rustic charm that reflects the simplicity and beauty of rural Kerala. Muthalamada railway station is not just a transit point, it's an experience in itself. As trains chug into this station, passengers are greeted with the soothing sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle hum of the train. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to truly appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds them. Few trains grace these tracks, yet Muthalamada's allure lies deeper. Its station, quiet and unassuming, has graced the silver screen, celebrated for its natural grace and timeless beauty. But beyond fame, it is the ancient roots of mighty trees that whisper tales of ages past, grounding this haven in a poetry of earth and sky. For those who seek a peaceful retreat or a starting point for exploring the Western Ghats, Muthalamada railway station is a perfect choice. Its proximity to various trekking trails, wildlife sanctuaries, and scenic viewpoints makes it an ideal destination for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. As we bid farewell to Kolangad, our hearts are filled with the echoes of nature's embrace and the whispers of bygone eras. Each step was a journey through the past, where every corner revealed a story waiting to be told. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration, uncovering the timeless allure of this hidden gem nestled in the heart of Kerala, India. Your presence has made this journey truly memorable. Until we meet again for more captivating tales from across the world.